Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way to make salmon and asparagus using McCormick Grill Mates and Baja Citrus. It's a marinade that all you need is 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm going to be putting my mixture together in a measuring cup, and then I just used a large sandwich bag to put my salmon, and I only put half the mixture in there with the salmon, and then I used the rest of it later for my asparagus. The package says that you can either do it for 15 minutes or as long as you want, for extra flavor. I actually put mine in there for 3 hours because I had something else to do. But you can put yours in there for 15 minutes and it'll still have a lot of flavor. Once your meat is done marinating, you're going to go ahead and prep your asparagus by cutting the ends off, and then you're going to go ahead and align your cookie sheet or your baking sheet with a piece of aluminum foil. Place the salmon on top of it and rub your mixture on your asparagus. You can either pour it on, spoon it on, or brush it on like I'm doing. Go ahead and cover your salmon and asparagus up and place it in the oven for 20 minutes on 350. And my good sis, do not pick up that glass of wine. Don't do it. Go ahead and clean your kitchen up. Now this part is optional, but I went ahead and put my oven on broil and did it for another 10 minutes, and voila y'all, it came out so juicy. It was so good. It had so much flavor. It's super easy. Go get some Grill Mates from the store. It's by McCormick. They have a whole bunch of different flavors. You can make chicken, beef, everything. I'm telling you, you're gonna need it this summer for your barbecues. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, go ahead and comment down below so I can make more videos like this. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. See you next time.